Hello everyone. Today we like to do some payroll calculation. Scenario is that you may have joined a company, particularly in public accounting, where a lot of people bring their data in boxes, and it is after the year is already completed. They may have paid to their employees by their own way, but now the financial statement you have to produce, and we have to make sure that all the calculation is right. Mostly it goes this kind of details information for the bookkeeping and accounting related job, but nowadays even as a administration job, as a management job, people should know that how to verify and calculate the payroll without any software or using any accounting package, because there are a lot of help is available on the government's websites. Okay. Now, first of all, let's go over here. This is an employee number 1, and this is a name. This is the information you will be provided. Okay, postal code, that's a basic address. Now, claim code. Those people, they are accounting student, they must know that they have gone through. Claim code is the for the tax deductions. Okay, and for the information in this, you have been provided for this information, and just for the a little more information, if someone is married, the code is 5, and if the single code is 1. Now, we will be emphasize that on the calculation, not the details payroll things. You may have learned, or you may be provided this information, particularly for the administration students. Now, employee could be on the salary base, or employee could be on hourly wage. Like in the first employee number 1 is on the salary, whatever the salary is divided by 12, and then you get the monthly salary, and that you will use to calculate that. Now, in terms of hourly rate employee, like the employee number 2 is a single, claim code is 1, and hourly rate is $15.50. Okay, and this is here where you have to understand that it's become July to December. The first month, which is July in this case, he or she work 131 hours. So, to get a salary, you will multiply 131 by $15.50. Okay. So, this is the information sheet. You can stop it while you are watching at that time. Okay. So, what is our goal? Goal is used TOD, is used to be a name of table on disk. Now, there is online. Okay, online calculator from the Revenue Canada website, and use Excel sheet to prepare these payroll for these employees, where we want to know in each month, like in July, how much net every employee will get after those deductions of CPP, EI, and the taxes. And what is the amount that we have to remit to the CRA, okay, Receiver General, actually, that we have to write a check to them. So, now the rules are that whatever, like if this is a July salary you are calculating, then what you will, on the 15th of the following month, on or before, you have to submit those deductions. So, our scope is that we want to find out how much will be the net check for the each of the employee, then what is the deduction from their CPP, EI, and taxes, then how much in each month in July, what is the check we have to write to a Receiver General, okay, for those payroll deductions. And payroll deductions are must, basically, when there is an employer and employee relationship. Okay. Now, how we do that is just for brief, whatever the amount we deducted from the employee as a CPP, Canadian Pension Plan, as an employer we have to contribute the same amount as well. So, there will be two information, and there will in that calculation employees portion and employers portion. Same thing is also we will be working on EI, employment insurance. The rule is that whatever we deduct from the employee, we have to add multiply that amount by 1.4. So, we will be contributing more. Now the purpose over here is that designing the template, working out through the worksheet approach, getting the data from the online calculators. Okay, so there are a lot on the payroll thingy, but this is the practice set that you should be conversant with that. All right, so that is the information, I believe, and now we will be using this information how to do that. Okay, now let me give you the glimpse that what you will be designing. You will be creating a worksheet where we are putting the employee's name, numbers, all the data, then the pay type, whether it is a salary base or is hourly base. Okay, and if there is an hourly base, we will put the hours over there. If it is salary base, you will not put over there. Okay, hours work is not applicable in this case. Okay, now you can design whatever way, but we have to have a really a good design that if there is anything change, then we can get that. Okay, so in this case, if you see that this is the salary per month. Okay, and now in this example, I'm using someone else's example of our previous students who did the job. I didn't verify the information yet, but again, this is the template to understand that what you are going to